Alright, this is Tropical Storm Isaias. Starting to get into the brunt of it now. It's around after 1 o'clock. Getting a lot of wind now. We're mostly done with the rain. This is way more impressive than Faye. This is way more impressive than Faye. That was a good 50-mile-an-hour gust there, I think. The power's still on for now. That could be a gust to hurricane force. Sorry, there's water on the lens. I can do the water's going everywhere. I was doing an asshole trying to keep myself dry. Probably in the front of it right now. Alright, I gotta find a bit. Goes the siren again. That gust was hurricane force. Had to be 60 miles an hour at least. It means the power is still on, guys. I don't know how much longer. That was an impressive gust. That was with that rain band. I knew the gusts come down in these rain bands, the convection, bring the winds down to the surface. Now you can see we've got lots of tree limbs on the ground here. Right now over here. Until this rain band passes. That spot is not secure enough. You can't see as much here. That shook me up. That was the rain band that just moved through. This is the most impressive wind event I've seen since Sandy, easily. We're in the brunt right now. This rain is done. The rain is done. These are incredible. Amazingly, we have not lost power in Mineola. It's amazing. Wind gusts. Alright, we got a down tree. Oh yeah, well not the whole tree part of it. The rest of it might come down. I did take down some wires. I don't know if those are power lines. I don't think they are. They're not, but yep, here you go. My first casualty. Just watch these wires. Just get away from this tree so it can come down any moment. I don't want to do it. Joe Choppy a little bit because he said, oh, he's like, oh, it's not going to be anything like Sandy. It's not like Sandy with the flooding, but the wind, maybe not the duration of the wind, but the wind speeds are close to what Sandy had right now. I'm telling you that right now, from what I see here. I'm amazed that the power hasn't gone out yet. And these winds are easily sustained. I mean, the sustained winds may not be as high, but the gusts, these gusts are just like what I remember with Sandy. Just looks just like it. Oh, power just went out. The light just went out. It might have just been a surge to shut the light off. Power surge. Because that traffic light's still on and that one's still on too, so. Whoa, there goes a tree. The tree just went down in the car. Yep, I just saw it. Oh, too bad I didn't catch that video. I was over there, whatever. Just came down. Yep, that tree right there just came down. I was just over there, man. If I was walking just a little faster, I would have seen it come down. It's for this one right here. Oh, that sounds like a transformer, that bang. Should I say a fuse? Yep, this tree just came down. Oh, yep, there goes one. Constant sirens all over the place. Wait, sounds like I hear a generator. Dare I say it, the winds might even be worse than Sandy. You're going to be watching this video, right? So I'm going to lose power. I'm not going to be able to put this video together to upload it. Power's still on. Tree leaves in the air. let's check the outages. Data is down. I can't get any data, but luckily I have Wi-Fi here in the library I was able to use. So I was able to... Ridiculous. I don't know what is going on with basically my phone actually, even though it's the network it uses is Verizon. So Verizon is having problems. Oh yeah, we got some damage here too. We got a number of trees down in this spot. 1, 2, and then a branch down over there. So we got 2 trees down in this spot right here. How they're planted. They got another one down right there. Well, it appears there's no power over here, but there's power over there. But generally, when this traffic light goes out, what that one? Let's see. Yep, that one's out too. Hey, shut up. That one's out too. Yeah, it's starting to calm down now, thank God. Alright, so we were still dealing with some winds here, but the winds are starting to quiet down. We're starting to see some sun come out. Look at how fast those clouds are moving. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this part of the video. Covering of the storm actually hitting Mineola. The next part is going to show you the damage. Luckily, power went out, came back on, and stayed on for now, but who knows, that's not a certain. That's going to wrap up this video, and hope you're all doing well and are safe. Take care.